Stop paying for expensive monthly subscriptions just to generate AI videos. Right now, thousands of content creators across the United States are wasting their hard-earned money on platforms like Higgsfield AI and other expensive credits-based websites just to get a few seconds of access to the powerful Seedance 2.0 model. They are swiping their credit cards daily because they think there is no other way to get higher-attention cinematic AI footage for their YouTube channels. But what if I told you there's a completely free God mode bypass that lets you generate unlimited 10 to 15 second cinematic videos using the exact same Seedance 2.0 model without spending a single dime? Welcome back to Esmile AI. I am Esmile, and today I'm going to reveal a massive underground loophole spanning across two different secret AI websites. The first website I'm going to show you is absolutely incredible and lets you bypass premium tier locks using a hidden developer trick that nobody else is talking about. But the second website is on a completely different level, giving you a method to generate unlimited high-quality videos back-to-back with zero friction. You absolutely cannot miss the second method because it is the ultimate game changer for your United States targeted content creation workflow. Before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial, I need to give you a very serious warning. The developers and engineers behind these AI platforms are constantly watching YouTube videos and looking for ways to patch these exact loopholes. As I'm recording this video right now, this bypass trick is working 100% perfectly without any issues. It might continue working for 24 hours after I publish this video, or maybe a few days. But the moment this video goes viral on the YouTube algorithm, there is a very high chance the developers will patch it and shut this backdoor down completely. So if you're watching this in the future and the trick is no longer working, please do not leave angry or negative comments below. I highly recommend you take massive advantage of this right now before it blows up and the developers figure out what we're doing. Use it extensively today before it goes viral. Let us get straight into the first God mode trick. Our first target is a powerful all-in-one platform called. You can simply search for on Google or just use a direct link I have provided in the video description below. When you land on their sleek homepage, you'll immediately notice a promotional banner stating they offer 250 free credits for every new user who registers. Now, listen to me very carefully. Do not click the green Start Free button directly on the homepage because it will try to synchronize with your personal Google browser account. We do not want that. Instead, you want to look at the top right corner and click on the plain login button and then navigate to the sign up page section. Now open a brand new tab in your browser and search for a temporary email service like Temp Mail. Wait for the system to generate a brand new temporary email address for you and simply copy that address to your clipboard. Go back to the Framia sign up page and paste that temporary email into the email address box. Click the continue button and the system will instantly send the 6-digit secure verification code to that temp inbox. Go back to your temp mail browser tab, scroll down to the inbox and open the verification email sent by Converge AI. Copy that exact 6-digit code, navigate back to Framia and paste it in. It will then ask you to set a password, so just type in a strong password of your choice and click continue. Your fresh account is now instantly ready. You will automatically go through a very quick onboarding screen where you need to select your profile preferences, choose independent content creator, then select fast single piece output, and finally select YouTube long video. Once you click Get Started, you will be dropped into the main workspace dashboard. If you look at the top right corner, you will see your 250 free credits sitting there ready to be used. These credits have an expiration timer, usually around 167 hours, so you need to consume them within that window. Now, if you try to be smart and select the Seedance 2.0 model directly from the homepage drop-down menu, you will see a small padlock icon blocking your access because they want you to pay for a premium subscription. But we are going to completely shatter that paywall right now, using their own system against them. Look over at the left side menu and click on the tab that says Projects. Once you're in the Empty Projects section, look at the top right corner and click the black button that says Create Workflow Canvas. This button opens up the back-end developer canvas where the real magic happens. On the right side of this empty canvas, you will see a dedicated chat box. This is where we will bypass the front-end restrictions. You need to write your video prompt here, but you must specifically tag the model in your command to force the system to use it. Type the @ symbol followed exactly by Seedance 2.0 and then write out your cinematic prompt. For example, you can tell it to generate a 15-second cinematic video showing an ancient royal procession crossing a vast desert toward a magnificent stone palace. You can add details about golden hour lighting and realistic dust. Now here is the single most crucial part of this first trick. Do not, under any circumstances, include words like 4K or 8K or ultra high quality in your prompt. If you do that, the AI will calculate a massive computational cost of over 500 credits and your generation will immediately fail because your account only has 250 credits. Instead, you simply need to add the exact text 720p at the end of your prompt. This specific command forces the backend system to generate the video within your available free credit limit. Hit the send arrow button and watch the absolute magic unfold. The AI will first use a separate image model called Seedream 5 to perfectly generate a stunning, high-definition initial base frame. Then it will automatically connect that image directly into the Seedance 2.0 video node to generate your full 15-second cinematic video. You do not have to upload anything or connect any nodes manually. You just sit back and watch the automation do all the heavy lifting. Once the 15-second video finishes generating, you'll face the final boss, which is the download paywall. If you click the standard download button at the top, it will stop you and ask you to buy a subscription. We are going to bypass this completely using a brilliant inspect element trick. Hover your mouse cursor over the newly generated video inside the canvas, right-click on it, and from the menu select Save to Assets. Now look over at the far left side panel and click on the small assets icon. You will see your 15-second video safely stored in that panel. Move your mouse over that video inside the Assets panel, right-click on it, and scroll down to click on Inspect. This will instantly open up the Developer Tools panel on the right side of your screen filled with website source code. Do not panic if you do not know how to code because this is incredibly simple. In the top left corner of that Developer Tools window, click on the small arrow pointer icon, which is the Select an Element tool. Now gently move your mouse back over the actual video playing on your canvas and left-click it once. Instantly, the complex code on the right side will highlight a specific block, and inside that block, you will see a direct source URL link that looks like a very long string of text starting with HTTPS. Double-click that highlighted source link to select the entire text perfectly and press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. Open a brand new tab in your web browser, paste that entire copied URL into the top address bar and hit enter. Your beautiful cinematic 15-second Seedance 2.0 video will instantly load and you can download it in perfect quality with absolutely zero watermarks. Once you have your video safely downloaded, simply click your profile icon, select Log Out, generate a brand new temporary email, and repeat the exact same process to get another 250 credits. It takes a little bit of manual work, but it guarantees you premium free footage. That first trick is incredibly powerful for longer 15-second videos, but the second website I'm about to show you is a complete game changer because it is so much faster for pumping out consecutive videos without touching any code. Go back to your Google search bar and type in. Click on the very top search result to open their main all-in-one workspace. Just like our first method, we are not going to use our real personal email addresses. Go back to your temporary email website, delete the old email address you used previously so the system generates a completely fresh one, and copy that new address to your clipboard. On the AI homepage, click the Login button located at the top right corner. In the pop-up window that appears, paste your fresh temporary email into the box, create a secure password, check the box to accept their terms and conditions, and then click the orange Create Account button. The platform will immediately send an activation link to your temporary inbox to verify you are a real human. Go back to your temporary email tab, open the welcome email from Oreate AI, and click the long verification link inside. Your account is now instantly verified and activated. You can just click Next to skip through any introduction pop-ups on the screen. Once you land on your main workspace dashboard, look up at the top right corner again. You will see that they have generously credited your fresh account with 80 free credits. They do have a referral program under the Invite tab, where you can earn 100 extra credits per sign-up. But honestly, we do not even need to waste our time messing with that because the temporary email loop method is infinitely faster and more reliable. To start generating your videos immediately, click on the massive AI video icon right there on the middle of your dashboard. This will open the generation interface, and by default, you will see that the Seedance 2.0 model is already selected for you. Now we need to apply the absolute golden settings to maximize our credit usage. Look at the settings panel and make sure the mode is set to text or image to video. Next, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, which is the standard optimal size for YouTube long-form content. Change the video quality resolution to 480p, and finally, set the video duration length to exactly 10 seconds. With these highly specific parameters locked in, your video generation will cost exactly 40 credits. Since your new account has 80 credits sitting there, you can easily generate 2 full 10-second cinematic videos back-to-back on a single login. Type your desired prompt into the chat box, such as an ancient desert kingdom at sunrise with a majestic king, and click the orange arrow button to send the command. The AI will instantly start processing your prompt, utilizing the Seedance 2.0 model to bring your vision to life. Once the video is fully generated, you can play it directly inside the chat interface to ensure the quality and motion look flawless. Unlike the first website, there are no hidden paywalls or developer codes needed here. Just click the simple download icon right there on the video player, and your completely watermark-free video will be saved directly to your computer. Now you still have 40 credits remaining in your balance, so you can immediately type a second unique prompt and generate another 10-second cinematic masterpiece. Here's where it gets crazy. Sometimes you might experience a system glitch where the platform rewards you with bonus credits right after a generation, leaving you with a balance of 50 or even 90 credits total. If you get lucky with this glitch, you have enough to make a third 10-second entirely for free. Even if the glitch does not happen, getting 20 full seconds of premium Seedance 2.0 footage in just a few clicks is absolutely insane value for your channel. Once your credits completely hit zero, all you have to do is click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, hit the logout button, grab a brand new temporary email from your other tab, and sign up again. Within 60 seconds, you'll have a brand new account with another 80 credits ready to go. You can literally loop this exact process all day long to generate unlimited high-retention premium AI footage for your United States audience. These two websites combined give you the ultimate God mode power for AI video creation in the current market. You have the developer inspect element bypass on for generating longer 15-second highly detailed cinematic shots, and you have the rapid loop method on for pushing out massive volume quickly. Stop paying for expensive AI subscriptions and start using these secret loopholes to build your faceless YouTube empire right now. Remember to jump on this immediately and generate as much content as you can before the developers inevitably patch these backdoors. If you found this underground secret trick valuable and want to stay ahead of the AI curve, make sure to subscribe to Esmile AI right now, because I will be dropping even more exclusive AI workflows that nobody else on the internet is talking about. Keep creating amazing content, and I will see you in the next video.